This is the kale video, take 4. Hey guys, this is the kale video, take 5. Today I'm gonna be talking. It doesn't stop getting funny. Hey guys, it's Rachel P, and today I'm going to show you how to prep your kale. I have 2 types with me today. We have some regular curly kale and some Jacinto kale, which is also called dino kale or Tuscan kale, but I also call it the gateway kale because it's a little bit tender, the flavor isn't quite as strong. If you're trying to make somebody eat kale and they're not super sold on it, this is the one to give them. So we have 2 things we need to do. First, we're going to strip our kale and then we're going to massage it, and I'm going to try to be mature the whole time and not make any jokes. So first, stripping. You don't want to use the stalk on the kale because it's really fibrous and chewy, and even if you're cooking it, it doesn't tend to break down very well. It's also why you don't want to buy those pre-chopped bags of kale because they don't take the stalk out. They just chop it up into little pieces, and it makes a lot of work for you trying to like pick them all out. So in order to get this leaf off of the stalk, you're going to put a finger on each side and you're just gonna pull. And once you get down to the end, that little part of the stalk, that part will break down, so that's okay. You don't have to worry about if that very tip breaks off. So now that you have all of the leaves stripped, you've got some stalks left over. You could use these in some vegetable broth. I'm probably gonna wind up giving a couple of them to my rabbits, but like I said, they're very high in fiber, so just a few of them. And speaking of my rabbits, they're pretty much the cutest thing of all time. If you don't have rabbits and you don't have any stock to make, you can put these in your compost or you can just throw them away. So now, massaging. I'm just gonna break up those leaves into some somewhat bite-sized pieces. If you wanted to saute this, it would be ready to go right now. But if you wanna eat it raw, you wanna break it down a little bit so that it doesn't taste like you're eating salad dressing on cardboard. So when you're massaging it, you wanna use something to kind of help you out. You can either use an abrasive like salt, or you can use an acid like lemon juice or a little bit of vinegar, maybe the vinaigrette you're using in your salad. We're gonna use a little bit of salt and some lemon juice. So I'm gonna add a little pinch, and I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice through my fingers to catch any seeds. Helps you find out if you have any paper cuts. I think I have 1,000. And you're gonna make a massaging motion, so like that, on the kale. So if you can see it, this kale hasn't really been massaged yet, so it still has that kind of frosty color underneath, but once you massage it, it gets lighter green. It looks like that frosty film has gone. That'll kind of tell you that you've broken down the cellulose, and the whole thing will just be a little bit softer. So this has been massaged thoroughly. Right now it's ready to go in a salad. If you didn't want to do this step, maybe you don't feel like you know your kale well enough to massage it, you can just toss the salad dressing on it, let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and it will kind of tenderize naturally over time. But this is just kind of going to shortcut that and make the salad ready to eat now. So that's it. If you're looking for some salad recipes, be sure to check out my salad workshop tab on JoyFullFoods.com. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and click right now to subscribe for more videos. Bye. I feel like a rabbit.